हेलो दोस्तों। आज हम नंबर्स वाला चैप्टर जो हमने पिछली क्लास में स्टार्ट किया था, आज हम उसको आगे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। अब जो हम नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे वो एक अनदर टाइप होगा। द फर्स्ट जो टाइप हमने पढ़ा था वो आपका प्राइम नंबर्स था। सेकंड टाइप जो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, दिस इज बाइनरी नंबर्स। सी, you all know that computers are very important for our life. But do you know how computer works? How computer receives information, how it processes information, and how it uses the information in doing the calculations in itself. See, whenever we give any input, like we have a keyboard, we give any input like we want to do 8 plus 8. So when it goes to this computer system, it is not exactly that we can see here that 8 plus 8, so computer will take it as 8 plus 8. No. So computer receives this information in some special digits, right? And when it process, like you know that answer of this 8 plus 8 is 16. But also computers, do the process on these numbers. And also computers, get the solution of 16. But it cannot write or it cannot store this 16 as the number. So the computer has its own digits. So that two digits that computer uses for all the numbers that we are putting in is 0 and 1. So binary numbers, bi means this is 2. So binary numbers basically are 0 and 1, and that are these two numbers which computers understand. So now you have to understand that computer is something that is not working, or it is not getting the information as we are giving it. It is getting information in another form. Like you may have seen encryption and decryption. So you give some number to computer, it encrypt according to the binary numbers 0 and 1. It process according to its 0 and 1 digits, and when it has to show the output, again it decrypt, and answer shows on the screen as 16. But within these three processes, when it is receiving, when it is performing, or when it is storing, so computer is using two numbers 0 and 1. So basically these numbers are used for computer's language. We in our daily life we use decimal numbers. For example, we know that we uses digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to 9. These 10 digits we use to write any number. So for example, if I have to write 43, so I will be using 4 and 3. So that is the decimal numbers in which we use 10 digits 0 to 9. So now next thing that comes, that what is binary number system and why we use it. See, basically there must be a person who is giving some commands or giving some instructions to computers that you perform some operation, right? For example, as a software designer, I want my computer to work in a certain parameters, but computer has its own language. We give information, but computer receives that information in the form of 0 and 1, and then it works on that, and it gives us the output. So that I've explained you already. So binary number system is basically the of all the numbers. You can see 0 and 1 basically there are two numbers, 0 and 1. So whatever the process that computer does, it is based on 0 and 1. So binary number system is nothing but all the processes that is being done with the help of these two numbers are called binary number system. So now we work on next. So thing is, how do we write decimal numbers in the standard form? Now we'll learn that how binary numbers and decimal numbers can be written in one's form. For example, if I have a number, let's say this is 43, and the base is 10 because this is related to decimal number system. So 43 base 10, if I want to convert that into binary number system, then how it can be converted? So you see I am doing a calculation here. You divide it by 2 first. So 2, this is going to be 21 and the remainder will be 1. Again you do it with 2. So again this is going to be 10 and again 1 is going to be a remainder. Then again you do it with 5. Then it is 5 and remainder is going to be 0. Then you do 5 divided by 2 again. Then this is going to be 2. 2 to the 4 and remainder is going to be 1. If you do it by 2, then this is 1 and this is also going to be 0. So remainder is 0. So this number 43 with base 10 can be written as, you may see, you write it from this side. So this is going to be 1 0, this 1 0 1 0 1 1 and the base of this number is 2. So we have converted that decimal number 43 into binary number, and the base, when I write this 10, it means this is decimal number system, and when I write here 2, it means it is a binary number system. So again we can do the vice versa. We can check it whether this answer is correct or not. So you see how to convert. Like I am taking one of the number, let's say this number I am taking again 101011, and I want to convert that number again into the decimal number system. So you see, if I convert, the answer should be 43. And how it can be received? You see, this is, you write this first 1, the first digit is 1 and then 2, and you count how many digits are there after the first digit. So 1 2 3 4 5, so there are 5. So you write 2 exponent 5, then you write plus this next digit is 0 and into 2, then 0 के बाद आप देखिए how many digits are there. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, then 2 exponent 4. And next you see we have 1 again, then 1 into 2, and you see after 1 how many digits are there. So 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. It means there are total 3 digits. So this is going to be 3. Similarly for 0, it's going to be, because after 0 there are 2 digits, so 2 is to power 2. And next you see we have to write it here. So you see 1, then into 2, and after this 1, and last 1 into 2, 0. So when we calculate this, our number should be 43. This is 2 to the power 5 is 32, and this 0 into 2 for 0, then 1 into 2 is 3 is 8, and this is 0, this is 1 into 1 is 2, and this is 1, this is plus 1. So you add, this is again coming 43. So you see that how I have converted decimal number to binary number and binary number to decimal numbers. We can take some more examples. Let's say 14. Let's say I am taking 14, base is 10. I want to convert that into binary number. So you divide it by 2. This is 7 ja, remainder is 0. So basically here it is the quotient that we write, and this side we write remainder. So then again you divide by 2. This is going to be 3 ja 6 and remainder is going to be 1. Again you divide by 2. This is 2 1 ja 2 and remainder is going to be, this is this. So now your quotient and remainders have come into the form of 0 1. So you can write this as, this is, you start always from bottom to up. So this is 1 1 1 0 and the base will be 2. So this is the first thing that we have learned, that how binary numbers can be converted into decimal numbers and decimal numbers into binary numbers. For example, we do this again and we want to convert this 1 1 0 into the decimal form. Let's see what comes. So first you write was first digit and into 2. Then you count how many digits after the first digit. So this is actually, this is 1 2 3. So you may write this 2 exponent 3, and then next digit 1, then 2 exponent, this is 2. So this goes in the order. See, total digits are 4. You can see total digits are 4. So it will start from 1 less. So 3, then 2, एंड देन 2 1 एंड लास्ट में आपका 0 एंड 2 एक्सपोनेंट 0. So this is how we go about it. So this is going to be 8, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 2. So and this is going to be 0. So this is 8 4 12 12 to 14. So you have seen that you must have observed that how the numbers have been converted. Now the base is 10. So next thing that we do is about the operations of binary numbers. या ऑपरेशंस ऑन बाइनरी नंबर्स बोल दीजिए. ऑपरेशंस ऑन बाइनरी numbers. So here we'll learn that how two numbers will be added, how two numbers will be subtracted. In this video we'll be doing addition and subtraction only, right? So next is I'm giving you two binary numbers. Let's say this is 1 1 0 1, this is 1 0 0, this is let's say 1 something. I want to add it. Okay, I'm giving you the rule for addition. Whenever you want to add two binary numbers, then you have to follow this. That 0 plus 0, this is always 0. 0 plus 1 is always 1. Similarly, 1 plus 0 is always 1. And 1 plus 1 is exactly equal to 0, and we take carry forward. Why? Because 1 plus 1 will be, you see 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and remainder is 0. So we write this as 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, and we take remainder as carry forward 1. So these are the rules for addition of two binary numbers. So we add it. So 1 0 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 1 2. लेकिन I have told you that 1 plus 1 को आपको 0 करना है, carry आपको 1 करना है. When you carry 1, it means this 1 plus 1 will be 1. एक तो आपने carry 1 ले लिया और पहले से 1 plus 1 है, so it means it's 3 now. So 3 को अब आप डेसिमल नंबर्स के हिसाब से और बाइनरी नंबर्स के हिसाब से कन्वर्ट करिए. 2 1 जा 1 and remainder will be 1. So this is quotient and this is remainder. So your last answer is coming. This is, आप इसको इस ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे. So this is 1 1. So this is the addition of these two binary numbers. Now एक और एग्जांपल लेके देखते हैं. कुछ और भी इसको हम जस्टिफाई भी कर सकते हैं. Let's do the justification first. See, justification is important because without justification you won't understand the concept well. So we do the justification. Justification means first हम इनको डेसिमल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. जैसे डेसिमल नंबर्स का मतलब है 1 1 0 1. टोटल डिजिट्स आर, यू कैन सी टोटल डिजिट्स आर 4. सो हम पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 then 2 exponent 3 then 1 2 exponent 2 then 0 into 2 exponent 1 and last one 2 exponent 0. So this is 8, this is 4 and this is 0 and last is 1. So this is actually 4, this is 13. And next number is, this is 1 1 0 0 and this is 2. So this is now in the decimal form, this is base 10. Now we convert that, so you will be getting this as 1 into 2, this is 3, plus 1 into 2 2, plus 0 2 1, plus 0 2 0. So this is 8 and this is going to be 4 and rest is 0. So this is going to be 12. So you do addition in the decimal numbers. So 13 plus 12 is 25. So now we have to check last of this. जो आपका आंसर आया था 1 0 0 1, ये आपका डेसिमल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करके हम देखते हैं क्या ये 25 के इक्वल आ रहा है. अगर ये 25 के इक्वल आता है, इसका मतलब है कि आपने जो एडिशन किया वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. सो करते हैं. देखिए लेट्स सी, आप देख सकते हो इसमें डिजिट्स कितनी, 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स है. तो आप 1 2 4 से स्टार्ट करो, देन 1 2 3 से स्टार्ट करो, देन 0 इंटू 2 0, देन 0 इंटू 2, आप 2 यहाँ पर 2 करना था आपको 2. तो लेट मी जस्ट इसको थोड़ा सा हम रब कर देते हैं. so that आपको थोड़ा सा नजर आ जाए अच्छे से. This is 2 and next is 0 into 2 1 and last is 1 2 0. So let's see what comes. This is going to be 16, this is going to be 8 and this is 0, this is 0, last is 1. So this is 16 plus 8 24 and 1 is 25. So you may see that your answer in decimal numbers is also coming same and your answer in binary number is also coming same. So let's move to one more question. एक बार और एक क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं so that you will be understanding it well. So एक एग्जांपल करते हैं जिसमें कि हम एक बाइनरी नंबर थोड़ा छोटा ले लेते हैं इस बार 1 0 1 कर लेते हैं और एक कर लेते हैं 1 1 1. अब इसको ऐड करते हैं हम. इसको ऐड करने का रूल आपको मैंने क्लियर किया हुआ है कि 1 + 1 आपका हमेशा कितना हो जाएगा 0. कैरी कितना जाएगा आपका 1. सो 1 + 1 फिर से ये 1 1 फिर से ये आपका 2 हो गया. आपको 0 कैरी फिर से आपको यहाँ पर 1 ले जाना पड़ेगा. तो 1 + 1 ये 3 हो गया. 3 को मैंने आपको बताया था कैसे करना है. 2 दिस इज 2 1 जा एंड रिमाइंडर इज 1. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी दिस फॉर्म. सो अब इसका भी जस्टिफिकेशन कर लेते हैं. सारे नंबर्स को एक बार हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं डेसिमल नंबर्स में. जैसे 1 0 1 है, आप इसको डेसिमल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. कैसे करेंगे 1 देयर आर टोटल 3 डिजिट्स. सो आप 2 की पार्ट 2 से स्टार्ट कर दो. देन 0 into 2 1 and 1 into 2 0. So this number is 4 and this is 0 and this is 1. So this is going to be 5. So next पे आते हैं. This is 1 1 1. आप इसको भी कन्वर्ट कर दो डेसिमल्स में. So 1 into 2 this is 2 plus 1 into 2 1 plus 1 into 2 0. So this is going to be 4, this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 1. So 5, this is 5 for 2 7. So this is 7 now. अब इसका भी आंसर चेक करते हैं लास्ट में. 1 1 0 0 and this is going to be in decimal numbers will be in this form. अब 1 there are total 4 digits. So 2 cube से start करिए and then 2 and you'll be converting it into this 2 and this is 1. So 1 into 2 2 then 0 into 2 1 and plus 0 into 2 0. So 2 cube is 8 and this is going to be 4. So this answer is going to be 12. And if you add 7 and 5, this answer is also going to be 12. So 5 plus 7 is also coming as 12 and this is also coming as 12. So it means this addition is done and we have also justified. This justification is not required. Once you are perfect in this, then you may not be needing these calculations again and again. So now we'll be doing subtraction. Now we'll be learning about the subtraction of binary numbers. So there are some rules for subtraction, so that we understand first and then we'll move to the difference of two binary numbers. So the rule number 1 is if 0 minus 0 we write as 0, if 1 minus 0 we write as 1, if 1 minus 1 this is 0, but if 0 minus 1 it is 1, we borrow 1 from the left side digit. So we'll now do some examples so that you can also understand how this is being done. कैसे करते हैं इसको हम. So एक नंबर ले लेते हैं हम. लेट्स से नंबर हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं जो हमने पीछे क्वेश्चंस में कन्वर्ट किया था, वही नंबर हम दोबारा से भी ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से 1 1 1 आपने ले लिया एंड 1 0 फॉर एग्जांपल 1. आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हो, सो यू डू दिस माइनस. आप सबसे पहले देखिए 1 minus 1, आंसर ऑफ दिस विल बी 0 and then you see 1 0 1 0 according to the rule is your 1 and 1 minus 1 this is 0. So your answer is going to be this. Now again we have to justify whether this answer is correct or not. So to justify, you see how I'm doing the justification. This 1 1 1, this is in the binary now. This is 1 into 2 2, this is 1 into 2 1, this 1 into 2 0. So this is 4, this is 2, this is 1, so this is going to be 7. एंड 1 0 1 को भी कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. So this is going to be 1 into 2 2 plus 0 into 2 1 plus 1 into 2 0. So if I convert this, this is 4 and this last one is going to be 1, so this is going to be 5. So you know the difference that 7 minus 5, if you do the difference is 2. So now we have to lastly check that 0 1 0 is equal to 2 or not. So let's see, 0 into 2 2, then 1 into 2 1 plus 0 into 2 0. So this is 0, this is going to be we have written this one extra, so this we will rub. Okay, so this is, now we'll write this as 2 and this is again 0, so answer is coming 0. So now you see our answer is verifiable. You can all see the calculations, so this is okay. So it means this subtraction with 2-digit number is okay. Now we'll take one more examples. So here we take this is थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर ले लेते हैं अब की बार, 1. So let's say this is 1 1 1 0 1, right? And we write this as 1 1 0 and 0 1, right? Now let's see how this is done. This is 1 1 minus 1 1, so answer is 0, and 0 0 is 0 again, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0, and 1 1 is 0. So this we have to do, we have to follow all the rules. Now एक ऐसा भी एग्जांपल लेते हैं जिसमें कि this is your example number 3 था. एक और एग्जांपल नंबर 3 एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं जिसमें कि आपको कैरी वो जो बोरो वाला एग्जांपल है उसमें भी थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी आ जाए. सो लेट्स से दिस इज 1 1, अब आपको लिखते हैं दिस इज 0 and this is 1, this is 0, and this is going to 1 0 0 and this is 0 and this is 1. So अब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का रूल मैंने आपको बताया था, 0 और 1 अगर होगा तो यू विल बी राइटिंग एज 1, बट कैरी आपको लेना पड़ता है और बोरो लेना पड़ता है आपको, बोरो 1 फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड वाला डिजिट से. So यहाँ से आपको बोरो करना पड़ेगा, तो बोरो करेंगे तो यहाँ 1 होगा, तो 1 and 1 का जो डिफरेंस, ये तो पहले आप इसको 1 कर दीजिए. 1 इसका डिफरेंस हो गया. एक बार रूल को भी आप थोड़ा सा देख लो, आपको भी एक बार रूल भी क्लियर कर देते हैं. 0 minus 1 is 1, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, दोबारा दिखा रहा हूं मैं ताकि आपको थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो जाए. 0 minus 1 is 1 and we borrow 1 from the left side of the digit. So we come to this, now this is 1 and यहाँ से आपने बोरो ले चुके हो, तो यहाँ पर आपको कम करना है. एक जो था वो आपने यहाँ बोरो कर लिया, तो यहाँ 0 हो गया. So जब यहाँ पे 0 हो गया तो 0 में से फिर 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए, आंसर इज 0. दिस इज 0 0, अगेन आंसर 0. सो 1 0, दिस इज 1 minus 0 करेंगे तो आपको 1 ही बचेगा. एंड उसके बाद आप 1 में से 1 को करिए सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो फिर से 0 मिलेगा. सो दिस वे नाउ वी हैव गॉट द आंसर. सो आई होप आपको एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन समझ में आ गया है. अब हम एक और वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें कि आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन समझाएंगे. प्लीज आप कमेंट करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सो दैट आपकी जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगी उसको हम थोड़ा सा और अच्छी तरीके से रिफाइन कर सकें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.